Hello, this is a quick video review on how to install these PIAA wipers. I have a 2009 BMW 328i, and this is the old one. This is what it looks like, the final installation. It's just the basic hook. Now, when you get this in the package, it's gonna look kind of like this. This is gonna be in place. So what you do is you take. What I did was there's two holes here, a big hole and a smaller hole. And what you do is you take this screwdriver and you put it through the small hole and then yank this up. I already yanked it up. I'm not going to put it back in there. But anyways, I yanked it up. It wasn't very hard. And you pull this out. And then you take the smaller, they give you like a million brackets here. It's this one. It's the smaller one. If you have a BMW 328i E90, and this one goes, let me take a quick peek here. Okay, it goes like that. So it goes in here. Let's see. Oops. How does it go? Sorry. So it goes like like that. Okay. Well, I guess it only goes one way. So it goes like this. Oh, it can only go in one, I guess it only goes in one way. Just excuse me a second here. Okay, so this is how it goes. It goes, this front part slides in like this, and then the rest of it snaps. So now, if you can manage to get this part off of your windshield, basically this is the cover, and it removes, you pull it up from the top. Don't pull it from the bottom, pull it from the top, and you should be able to pull it off, and that's how you remove this piece. And then, once you remove that piece, there's a pin, and this simply slides through the pin, and then you put this back on top of it. That's basically how it goes in a nutshell. Okay, so that ends my review. Hopefully this is helpful.